Updated with new data for 2025 showing more than 8,500 uses of Narcan. This dashboard was meant to show the differences of health across different demographics in Peoria, Tazewell, and Woodford counties. The dashboard also offers resources and guides at a local level. For Peoria, they make it a point to make sure people can find their closest Narcan distributor.
We're really trying to focus both on prevention, but also like harm reduction, because the reality is there are a lot of people who could potentially overdose. So we want to have those resources available.
They want to bring awareness and knowledge to the public on where those resources are. They charted more than 350 overdose-related deaths since 2016. Murals going up on the walls in